We'll guide you through how to fix an Android that won't turn on, won't charge, or has a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're then unable to go and use it. You may think that it's permanently broken, but hopefully with help this video, we're going to be able to go and resolve it. It's important you watch the entire video and go and try the different fixes, as otherwise you may go and miss the one that goes and solves your problem. So what you can do is go and watch this entire video and then you can go and start trying them. So let's go and dive straight into this. So this first one may go and seem obvious, but of course, make sure you have gone and charged it. Also, this may have happened suddenly or you may not use it for a long time and now it's happening. So first of all, what you can try doing is going and plugging it in. Go and let it charge. You can go and give it a few minutes, ideally longer, but then what you can try doing is you can go and try holding down the side button just here. You can go and tap and hold that for around 10 to 20 seconds and go and see if anything goes and happens. Hopefully it will go and start. Now, if you find that it doesn't, what we can try doing is a forced restart. Sometimes there may be some type of software glitch, which is why the screen is black, and so a restart can often go and solve this problem. So this is done with a button combination. So what you're going to try doing is you want to try holding down the power button and also the volume down button. So it's going to start tapping and holding these together like so. Now go and keep these held down for around 10 to 20 seconds. The screen's going to go and remain black, but what we should be looking for is the boot screen. As you can see here it is, it's now starting again. At that point you let go of the buttons. Now we can go and wait. And shortly it should go and boot back in and we're going to be able to go and use it again. It's now come back on and we're going to be able to go and use it again. Now if you're finding that it's staying on a black screen, then what you want to do is you want to just go and inspect the charging port. There may be some dust or debris in there which is going and preventing it from charging properly, so you can try blowing it to go and clear it out. After you've done that, try charging it and you can go and repeat those same steps to try and get it started again. Hopefully to help this video, the problem's solved.